Poke homies, what's going on? Today I'm going to be opening up another shiny Crobat premium collection. I was actually in my local GameStop and I was asking about the in-person pre-orders for Chilling Reign, and the associate had explained to me that there will not be any in-store pre-orders for Chilling Reign. Everything would be done online just because of the state Pokemon's in right now. But when he was there, he's like, but since you are asking me about Pokemon, I actually have this. And he walked to the back and pulled this box out. And I was happy about that, man. That made my day, because I'm always happy to find Pokemon cards. Just look at the giant card. That is a beautiful, beautiful artwork. And of course, you get the 7 Shining Fates packs in here. So let's rip them open and see what we got. So yeah, I was definitely happy about that. But I'm just gonna have to find some other way to secure some Chilling Reign. I mean, just if you guys have any tips or know anything, any trustworthy sellers doing pre-orders, let me know. I'd appreciate it. It's Fire Energy, Float Soul, Team Yelltao, Gym Trainer, Morpeko, Rowlet, Horsey, Snom, Spinnerack. Is that a reverse? No, the Rillaboom V is right there. Okay, I'm doubling up on him. And a Morpeko V. Okay, so a double hit. Happy with that. I don't have the Morpeko yet. I do have this shiny Rillaboom V. And 2 of the Rillaboom V Maxes, if any of you watched my mini tin openings. Okay, let's get in this Toxtricity pack. Uh-oh. I can't get this open. Sorry about that, y'all. You got it. Okay, let's see what this got. Psychic Energy, Eldegoss, Dartrix, Rusted Sword, Cacnea, Nickit, Weasel, Morpeko, Eevee Swimming, a Team Yelltao reverse, and our rare is going to be a Zarude. Okay, that was a pretty whack pack. Let's see what the Charizard artwork got for us. There's a code card. Lightning Energy, Dartrix, Eldegoss, Rusted Sword, Trapinch, Yanma, Weasel, Grookey, Qfont, a reverse Gossifleur, and our rare is going to be a Professor's Research. Dragapult coming at you. Okay, there's a code card right off the bat. Water Energy, Tropius, Floatzel, Rotom, Buizel, Trapinch, Rowlet, Nickit, Shinx. Our reverse is gonna be a Buizel, and our rare is a Boss's Orders. Those are 2 duds. Back to back. Okay, Corviknight. Fly us out of here onto some greener pastures, onto some greater pools, please. Would you please? Psychic Energy, Gym Trainer, Eldegoss, Dartrix, Nickit, Weasel, Morpeko, Eevee, Rowlet, a reverse Thwackey, and our rare Professor's Research. Are you kidding me right now? Okay. Toxtricity pack coming out. There's a code card. Let's see what we got. Fire Energy, Cramorant, Gym Trainer, Eldegoss, Spinarak, Morpeko, Rowlet, Horsey. I skipped a card, my bad. Team Yell Towels, the reverse, and it rares another Cramorant V. Dang it, this is my third one. Yep. Okay, let's see if we can get some last pack magic from Toxtricity. There's a code card. Energy, Thwackey, Luxio, Rusted Sword, Yanma, Nickit, Grookey, Choodle, Eevee, a reverse Rotom, and the last card to end this video, Dreadnought. Man, that was kind of a whack tin to open. Let's see. We had 3 hits. It's going to be the Cramorant V, Morpeko, and then the Rillaboom V. Man, so not the best of luck this time, but at least we got some pulls. Let me know how you guys are doing with your pulls, and y'all have a great day. I appreciate you watching my videos, and if you're enjoying them, please leave a like and subscribe. Until next time, peace.